Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing weak Wi-Fi signals on your iPhone, then there are several ways to improve this connection. So here are some tips to help boost your Wi-Fi signal strength. First of all, restart your iPhone and router because sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. First of all, start with restarting your router. Unplug it for 10 to 15 seconds, then plug it back on. Then try restarting your iPhone. You can simply hold the power button and swipe to turn off, then turn it back on, or you can also use the shortcut option available there and restart your iPhone. Once restarted, try moving closer to the router to reduce the interference and improve the signal strength. After you have done all this, try enabling the Wi-Fi assist. Wi-Fi assist automatically switches to cellular data when your Wi-Fi connection is weak to turn it on. Open the Settings app on your mobile device, then tap on the cellular option available there. Inside cellular, scroll down and enable Wi-Fi assist. This ensures that you get a more stable connection if Wi-Fi drops. Now, after you toggle on the Wi-Fi assist, then try forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi network. Sometimes reconnecting to the network can help. Go back to the settings again and tap on the Wi-Fi this time. Inside Wi-Fi, tap on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to, then tap on the forget this network, then reconnect by selecting the network and entering the password again. After all these are done and none of these work, then all you have to do is go back to the settings again and tap on the general. Inside general, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on the reset, then tap on reset network settings. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.